How are you everyone? Please allow me to introduce myself. I'm Abdullah Siam. But please call me Siam because that's my nickname. I'm 16 years old and I'm from Rangpur. I live in a city called Tangail. I'm a student. I study at Marsatul Hira. My main ambition is to be a famous Islamic scholar so that I can positive sense in the education sector of my motherland. That's all about me. Honorable Chief Guest, respected teacher and my dear friend, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. I want to thank Almighty Allah for giving me tawfiq to be here with you. And I also want to thank our honorable teachers for giving me chance to say something before you. Well, dear friends, today I will talk about the sirah of our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Sirah means the life history of the Prophet. Our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was born in Mecca in the year of the elephant. His father's name is Abdullah and his mother's name is Amina. His father passed away before he was born, and his mother passed away when he was very young. So he grew up as an orphan. His grandfather Abdul Muttalib and his uncle Abu Talib took care for him. From childhood, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was very honest and kind. People call him Al-Amin, which means the trustworthy. He never told lies and always spoke the truth. He helped the poor, cared for the orphans, and respected everyone. At the age of 40, Allah gave him the message of the Islam through angel Jibreel. He taught people to worship only Allah and live with honesty, mercy, and justice. The sirah of the Prophet teaches us many lessons: to be truthful, kind, patient, and to spread peace. If we follow his sirah, we can become good Muslims and good human beings. Thank you for listening. So, may Allah give us tawfiq to follow the sirah of our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.